Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we highlight Olivia Castor, a well-known American Instagram model and digital personality celebrated for her polished style and captivating online presence. Born in 1997, she has grown into one of social media's standout faces, admired for her graceful looks, fitness-focused lifestyle, and natural charm. Olivia is approximately 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs about 56 kilograms, and is recognized for her dark blonde hair, soft green eyes, and well-maintained figure measuring 35-25-36. Her full name is Olivia Claudia Modo Castor, and while her background is mixed, she chooses to keep her family life private. Her online journey began with simple lifestyle photos and creative self-portraits that quickly attracted attention. Over time, her audience expanded to more than 2.8 million followers on Instagram and over 630,000 on Twitter, building her reputation as a rising digital model. She also briefly shared premium content, earning significant engagement before stepping away from the platform in 2022. Now working as a full-time model, Olivia collaborates with major fashion brands, securing income through modeling, brand deals, and social media partnerships. With an estimated net worth of around $900,000, she continues to grow her influence and inspire viewers with her confidence and creative style. Thanks for watching Curve Nova 2.0.